Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Thursday, August 15th. Well, we had some very interesting news on CPI as we talked about in the advanced video, and the other indices, well, they're behaving differently than what you're seeing here in the Russell. But we had a rally going that failed in that market. It did trade below its sell level. Dollar difference here in that market, just to provide you with a reference, is $400 a contract. I don't look for, this is bearish. It would imply a big day down. I'm looking for an inside to only possibly lower movement in that market. And in the euro, it also gave us a rally, but cooled off a bit. Asia just opening up, not really showing us too much at this point, but it's not a sign of strength for that market. And the British pound's in the same boat. It's cooled off a bit too. Is the dollar going to come back? That's what it implies. So be leery if you're on the long side of that market, and be leery if you're on the long side of the 10-year notes. A market that's starting to catch its breath, kind of rethinking what's going on. If the yields continue to move a bit higher, then we're looking for a drop here in prices in that market. Gold traded below its sell level. Dollar difference, $5,600 a contract. And what do we look for in this market? A big move down? No. I think it's a market that also, maybe it's some profit taking. We need an excuse for that market to rally. And that potential is still out there in the marketplace. Crude oil backed off with inventory build that we see in that market. A dollar difference here is $4,200 a contract. Further movement to the downside is expected in that market. And nat gas trying to work its way higher. We got some fundamental drivers here, but I'm looking for a sideways move in that market. Soybeans have gotten low enough to find buyers. I'm not sure the fundamentals are here to drive that a lot higher. So be cautious if you're on the long side. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.